Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the Wi-Fi driver in your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and right click and select this option, Device Manager, or go to the search bar and type Device Manager and hit enter. In this option, go to network adapters and select your internet connector. In this tutorial or for this example is Gigabyte network connector. Right click and select update driver is the first option, and click on search automatically for drivers, the first option. And if you receive any setup of wizard, click on next install, and you can receive this message: the best drivers for your device are already installed. You repeat this process in all network adapters. Right click and select update drivers and select the first option, next install and close. To apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu and select power off button and click on restart. Wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.